Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a C++ compiler and VS Code. Open the terminal, run G++ version to verify, because the editor needs a compiler to build. Once done, install the C/C++ extension and CMake tools when applicable. These provide IntelliSense and debugging. Make sure path entries are correct so tasks can call the compiler. Now create a project folder and a main CPP file. This gets you into the actual edit build run loop right away. Now configure build and debug so you can iterate fast. Create a tasks JSON that runs G++ with flags like std equals C++17 and G. This compiles with debug symbols, which the debugger requires. Once the task builds, add launch JSON, point program to the compiled binary, set request to launch, and link the pre-launch task to your build. If you use CMake, instead run configure and build through the CMake tools extension. This manages kits and generator. Finish by running your program with the debugger attached. Step into functions, inspect variables, and watch the call stack so you understand runtime behavior. Make sure you use the integrated terminal when your program needs input, and configure terminal settings if environment variables differ. If something goes wrong, rerun the build task, confirm the compiler output path, and verify launch. JSON points to that exact binary. This resolves most issues. If breakpoints aren't hit, rebuild with G and ensure source matches the compiled binary.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.